Hey guys, so I just went to Walmart in the craft section and they have a bunch of ribbons that you could choose from and pick. And I was trying to find the lace ones, but I couldn't find them anywhere, and I finally found them at the very bottom row. So they might be at the bottom row at your guys' Walmart too. So you guys don't miss it. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. Then they have a bunch of gems and all kinds of stuff to play with for your crafts. And I just wanted to show you guys all that they kind of had, just to give you guys ideas for your own projects. Because there's no right or wrong way to do your own hair clips. Just whatever you want to do, when you want to do it. And so I picked these. And oh yeah, this is where they have all the hair clips. It's not in the hair care section, it's in the craft section, just so you guys know. And I just picked those. They also have like fake flowers. They have so many. I didn't show you guys everything, but everything I just showed you is on that aisle, like on the same aisle right next to the fabric. Okay, we're gonna make these. Let's get started. So I just want to see how it looks like before I glue it down. Glue got everywhere, you guys. But this is just for fun. Now I'm gonna put the gems on it. So I don't know what you guys, leave a comment. Would you guys use the pink one or the red one? I thought they were both cute, so I just went with the pink. But I almost chose the red. They're both really nice. Yep, it gets, I told you guys the glue got everywhere. I just wanted to show you, like, it's okay, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but just have fun with it and be creative. So these are the hair clips that I used. I could have used any one that they had. They all looked like great, secure hair clips. But I just chose this one for no particular reason. And for this one, you want to make sure that the glue, of course, gets on the top and the bottom, but not the middle, because you don't want to glue the middle part onto the fabric, because you want that part to pop out to place in your hair. So just, you know, just think about what you're gluing before you glue it. And I was like, you know what? I need more glue. So I just put some more glue on right now. You gotta work fast with this glue, guys, because it kind of dries pretty fast. So I'm just testing it out, and that's hair clip number 1. And then we're gonna move on to the second and last hair clip, number 2. The one on the right. Now for the one on the right, you could either buy velvet, you know, ribbon and do the same thing with the hair clip, but for me, I just found this one at the 99-cent store. Just as it is, I bought it, and I'm just adding a flower to it Super easy if you want an even super easier idea. And I actually didn't glue the flower on. I just wrapped it with the wire that the flower came with. And I wore this this particular hair clip the next day, all day long, and it stayed in place perfectly. So that wire is really secure. So that's it, you guys. Enjoy.